What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop, back with another video, guys. As y'all already can see, guys, it's nighttime out here, man. I thought I'd get up out the house and come up out here and give you guys a light show, man. So that's what it is, guys. Light show with the Tahoe. Let's go. Alright, guys, so we're gonna start y'all off at the back. We got these lights that everybody love, or everybody hate, guys. We got these Escalade lights on the back of this thing, man. Like I told y'all, it's a light show tonight. Then also, man, I got this full LED third brake light up there as well. If I step on it, guys, you know it go all the way across from one corner to the other corner, guys. Look just like these lights. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to your boy at the Wolf Stop. Subscribe to the channel, man. Like, comment, turn those post notifications on, guys. It's a light show with the Tahoe. And man, I want to do something on my running boards. We're gonna take y'all around this front. Y'all can see, y'all see the mirrors blinking. Y'all see them, man. I got a video on that as well, guys. The LED mirror covers. As we get to this front, y'all can see I swapped my headlights out and put me at one of these LED bow ties up here. And like I said, guys, this is a 2013, guys. So that's what you see when I come down the street. We gonna bring y'all in here. Y'all can see on the floor, I got the LED down there as well, guys. Right now I got it on red to match my the trimming of my interior. But as y'all see at the top, hold up, give me 1 second. Let that be light. Y'all can see, man, we got the stars in the roof, guys. Stars in the roof. That's what it is, baby. We got the stars in the roof. Told y'all, it's a light show with the Tahoe, guys. We're gonna put them on red. Merry Christmas. We're just gonna let them change like Christmas lights tonight, guys. We got the lights up in the inside. Got a video on that as well. Make sure y'all check that out. Now y'all can see the interior. Y'all can see what I'm talking about. So when I ride, you know, I put it on red so it can match, guys. Got the coordinate the flow. It's a light show. It's a light show. Y'all jump down in the comments, guys. Right now, I need everybody to jump down in the comments, guys. Y'all let me know how y'all enjoyed the light show, man. Y'all let me know. Do I need to add some lights? Like some wheel well lights? You know, the lights that everybody be putting behind their wheels? Do I need to do that, guys? Me personally, I would like it if I can put some lights like right up in here. murder mobile coming down. Murder mobile coming down, guys. Check it out. If you're new to the channel, just watching the videos, guys, y'all jump down there, leave your boy a like, drop your boy a comment, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Most importantly, guys, y'all know, man, this year is almost done. It's almost over with, guys. 2022, man, we gonna know we got plenty more content coming for this vehicle. You know, like I said, I might bring a new one to this channel. I don't know, man, but for right now, we're gonna just keep on getting the Tahoe right, guys. We're gonna keep on getting the PPV all the way right, guys. So tonight's video, man, it's a light show with the Tahoe. You know what I mean? Y'all see it. Light show, baby. And those of y'all who've been following my channel, man, y'all know I did a giveaway on the set of these things. Y'all see it, I'll give y'all a little close-up view. Yes, sir. Bring y'all in here. Got that red just pop off the match, guys. But other than that, it's your boy Big Smurf ending this video, guys. Man, like I said, y'all jump down in the comments, man. Y'all let me know what part that y'all like most about the light show. But yeah, like I said, guys, this is your boy Big Smurf from the Whip Style. We're gonna wrap this video right here. Logging on, signing out. Y'all know positive live spray, positive vibes, guys. So until the next video, we'll see y'all.